So here under software applications, a whole bunch of different software applications, the antenna design assist, the antenna pattern calculator, batch run project, doesn't matter. RCS Design Assist. I think that's an interesting one. So if we click this, now we can see what the properties are of the reflector model, or excuse me, of the model. So here's, let me just scale this a little bit differently. There's a polar plot here and an XY plot over here of the same thing, these two. And down here we see a graph of either the seeker antenna pointing error, which is glint, or the azimuth discriminator, which is the same thing, or RCS versus downrange. I think that's really interesting. Here we get a big target. It's a super tanker, and let's calculate it. Here's the missile range. That's at 1,000 meters. Let's recalculate it at 3,000 meters. Just click yes, and let's calculate it again at 8,600 meters. Yes. Okay. These graphs show you the last 3 ones you did. Here's the most recent. Here's the second most recent. There's the third. Yeah? So let's look down here just to skip ahead. You can play around with this thing. You can, zoom in on parts of it and move like a sample line. See the green sample line? These are the values in the sample line right here for all three things. If you click lock, now when you move the sample line, you can sort of pan through the data. Oh, we want to see markers there too. We can see what's actually happening. And if you click lock over here, oh no, we're on the wrong frame, wrong display. This is range RCS versus downrange position. Look at this. Here is the dynamic range. This is the RCS of the ship as the range gate moves up and down the ship. So here's the range gate. See the range gate moving here? It's downrange. As the gate comes in, nothing, nothing, nothing. Now look at this point right here. These are where the scatterers are, reflectors. And there's the range gate. When one of them moves into the range gate, it changes color. Poof. See this step right here? That occurs exactly when the first reflector moves into the gate. And now we get 2, 3, 4. It drops up and down. The RCS, as you move up and down the ship, as you get more and more scatterers in it, changes. Now, so, big question. What does a large target look like to a short pulse seeker? I've never seen anything written in it, but this, I am sure, is correct. It's correct if a normal representation of a ship as 10 scatterers is correct. If that math is correct, this is also correct. Anyway, there's, lots of different features. We can change the, heading of the ship and look at the target plan view. Where are the scatterers? Let me just change that to something a little more easy to see. Where are the scatterers? Where are their coordinates? And you can turn them on and off. Click, 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 using the target model here. See, we can uncheck these blanking emitters, and when we look at the see, some of them are turned off. Click, click, click. Any reasons you might want to turn things on and off at some point. So let's close that. Close. Okay, there's a lot more to say about it. I spent a lot of time, quite proud of that actually. That's the target model.